He cursed at the wind, broke his own heart, and I watched as he tried to read a sympathy. And my mama swore that she would never let herself forget. And that was the day that I promised I'd never sing of love that does not exist. Darling, you are the only exception. 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 Maybe I know somewhere deep in my soul that love never lasts. We've got to find other ways to make it alone, but keep us straight, babe. And I've always lived like this, keeping it comfortable. Up until now I had sworn to myself that I'm content with loneliness, 'cause none of it was ever worth the risk. Well, you are the only exception. 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 I've got a tight grip on reality, but I can't let go of what's in front of me here. I know you're leaving in the morning when you wake up. Leave me with some kind of proof it's not a dream. You are the only exception. You